When to use am, is, and are in a sentence. Am goes with I. I am.
I am Jabari. I am playing. I am sad. I am reading. I am a gift.
I am Nia. I am listening to music. I am sleepy. I am writing. I am a winner.
Is. He is. She is. It is. This is.
This is Jabari. He is a boy. He is using a computer. He is planting.
This is Nia. She is a girl. She is planting. She is using a computer. This is a cat. It is painting. It is sitting. This is a house. It is yellow. It is small.
This is a cup. It is brown. It is big.
Are. We are. They are. You are. These are.
We are girls. We are planting. We are superheroes.
We are boys. We are observing. We are superheroes. They are girls. They are observing. They are singing.
They are boys. They are playing. They are thinking.
You are funny, Jabari. You are funny, Nia.
These are shoes. These are books. These are pencils.